Cruise and Travel News, the 13th of July 2026. Good morning, this is Bruce with Lap of Luxury Travel, bringing you today's cruise and travel news. Our top story comes from Norwegian Cruise Line. The Norwegian Bliss continues to face propulsion issues. Every port visit on its July 11 Alaska sailing has been shortened as the ship sails at reduced speed. Norwegian says onboard operations are unaffected, but this is another itinerary impacted since the problem first surfaced in late May. In the Caribbean, the U.S. State Department has maintained its Level 2 exercise increased caution advisory for Turks and Caicos. Travelers should be aware of crime concerns, hurricane season, and the island's strict laws regarding firearms and ammunition, which carry severe penalties. In Asia, Royal Caribbean canceled the July 11 sailing of Spectrum of the Seas from Shanghai as Super Typhoon Bobby approaches. Guests are receiving full refunds and reimbursement for eligible non-refundable travel expenses. Regent Seven Seas Cruises has announced 56 new shore excursions and 5 new land programs for the 2026 holiday season. The new experiences feature European Christmas markets, local traditions, seasonal cuisine, and immersive cultural experiences before and after select cruises. And finally, Delta Airlines says travelers shouldn't expect airfare to decrease soon. CEO Ed Bastian says higher labor, aircraft, airport, and technology costs, not just fuel, mean ticket prices will likely remain elevated for the foreseeable future. That's today's cruise and travel news. For help planning your next cruise, river cruise, luxury vacation, or escorted tour, call Bruce, Melissa, Jennifer, or Jen at 800-462-6807 or visit lapofluxurytravel.com. No planning fees. Platinum Concierge Service, Trip Overwatch, because ordinary isn't an option.